Hi, I want to talk a little bit about how to sell a house without repairs in Monticello Park in San Antonio, Texas. This is one of our favorite neighborhoods. It's centrally located. There's a lot of vintage homes there from the 1940s and around that area. And some of those may need a lot of repairs, but it's a great part of town. There's some great fiesta events that happen in that neighborhood, and it's got good proximity to I-10 and to downtown, as I mentioned. So if you've got a house in Monticello Park that you want to sell a house without repairs, there's a couple of things you can do, and some people don't even know that this is an option, but there are cash home buyers like Alamo Cash Buyers, like our company, where we'll come in and you don't need to make any repairs. You don't need to pay any back taxes if you owe those. We can take all that off your hands and make you a cash offer and close in as little as a week, as long as we have a clear title. So that's the service that my company provides. And if you've got a house that has a lot of repairs, maybe you inherited it, or it's a divorce or some other situation where you'd like to just wash your hands of the project and walk away, that's what our company specializes in doing. And some things to consider with Alamo Cash Buyers is that we are the end buyer, so we will be closing on the house. We're not going to try to sell it to another investor. We will bring cash and close. We're not waiting on a bank approval or anything like that. We're also not going to need any appraisals or inspections other than a representative from our company being in the house for probably about 30 minutes to an hour, and then you're done. You're not going to have to parade anybody through there or have realtors show the house for 6 months or deal with any bank financing contingencies or any of those issues that are very common. So if you'd like to sell a house without repairs in Monticello Park in San Antonio, Texas, we would love to have the opportunity to earn your business. You can call us at the number on the screen or visit alamocashbuyers.com. And our goal is to make this the simplest, easiest, most enjoyable, and quickest real estate transaction of your entire life that you will ever have. So we look forward to being able to do that for you. Thank you.